Hello everyone. I would like to explain today about the add strings. There is one of the lead code, very easy model, but I can say this is like easy and confusing model. So I will be taking two strings, one string one, 1, 2, 3, string 2, 3, 4, and I need to add both of the strings, and I need to print the resultant string. So generally string in the sense we do specify in terms of the characters. So we directly cannot add both to like string 3 equal to string 1 plus string 2. It gives the ASCII value of both the values. So it does not give the resultant array. So what we can do to get the resultant array, so we need to convert it to the integers and then we can add it, and then we can extract from the resultant and we can call using the static methods. So this is the lead code problem. So now we will see how the addition goes on. So suppose here it was like 1, 2 and 3. Suppose if I take the string 2 as 3, 8. So if I need to add this both of the strings, so if I need to convert this one into the integer, so what I will do, like I need to traverse maybe from each character level. Then I will take uh, the ASCII values difference. Then I will be adding with the resultant of the second string, one character of the result of the string 2. So we know the ASCII value of 0 is the ASCII value of 0 is 48, and like we can go for 1 as a 49, for 2 as 50, so 3 as 51, right? So I need to get 3 value, so its ASCII value is 51. So how can I get the 3 integer from this a character of 3? So by using this ASCII key of 0, we'll take the reference 0 as the uh, reference for all the characters. Then we will make the difference. Then we can extract the integers from the whole string. So suppose what is the ASCII of 0 is 48. So like the 3 ASCII value is 51 and the ASCII value is 0 is 48. So the resultant is 3. That is what our string is. So that we can extract the integer from a particular string. So this is how the main logic goes on. Then we can add them, like 8 plus 3 will be 11. So 1 will be the carry and this will be in the resultant string. So if it is less than 10, means if it is a single integer, definitely there will be no carry, then carry will be 0. So we need to initialize in such a way that carry needs to be either 0 or it need to be added every time. So this is how the carry and the ASCII values has come into the picture to make the addition. Okay, so let's get into the code. Okay, so first of all, what we need a resultant string. So we cannot get the resultant string directly because string is immutable. We need some another type of string definition so that we can always dip, append or pop up any values. So we will use string builder or string buffer also we can use. So I will be using string builder. Str is equal to new string builder. Okay, so now I'll be taking um, the p1 integer for the string 1 length, So I will be traversing from the last to first, not from first to last. So that's why I'm initializing my P1 index at the last of the string. So in the same way, we need to initialize for the string 2. Here 2 dot length of -1. Then uh, till which point the traverser or the addition will be taking place, till my index becomes 0. So while p1 greater than or equal to 0, or we can go for the second index also, like p2 greater than or equal to 0. So now, so what we have understood about the addition of the characters. So first we need to get extract the integer of the last one. So now our index is at the last position, that is 3, like in the string 1 2 3 we are at this position. So now I'm again extracting like p1 greater than or equal to 0. I'm using the conditional if loop, like caret type. This is the if else condition, like if p1 is greater than or equal to 0, this is a normal condition. Definitely now we are at the third position, it is greater than or equal to 0. We'll be taking state 3 minus of 0. So internally this is a string, this is a character, and this is a character. It doesn't minuses the character, it is always subtracting the ASCII values. So here the 3 value is 51, the 0 value is 48. So we will get resultant as 3 as the integer. That's what I have said earlier. So similarly for the string to last index number, again we need to extract. So int, okay, I will be taking the next version, int y equal to p2 greater than equal to 0, question str2 dot char at p2 minus, again same 0 as the type we are taking for the reference. So if not, we will be taking as 0. We will not consider that position as some number, so we'll be taking as 0. So we can add any number to the 0 will be that number. So now we got the two values in the integer, so we can directly add these both two. So x plus y, this will give the resultant. But if we get as a carry, if we are getting carry as 0, then nothing we can do. But if we are getting carry as 1 or 2, so what we can do? So we need to store that carry into some another variable. Okay, so I'll be storing the carry. Okay, so again I will be again taking into the integer, like the resultant. This will give the resultant. So and again I need to initialize the carry one. Okay, so int carry equal to 0. So again I need the last character. I need, so 8 plus 3 is 11. So I need only the 1. In the 11 I need only the 11. When we can get the 1? If it is the remainder, the modulus 1. Like if you use the modulus 1, we will be getting the 1. And carry, how we will get? If we are doing division by 10, then we will get 1. So that's what we will do. So here we can use the modulus 10. Similarly for like the carry, we can initialize the carry. So we need to append the resultant string builder to the resultant. So this will give the resultant string. So again we need to do for the all the remaining characters. So we need to decrement our indexes like p1 minus minus, p2 minus minus. So this completes our program. So it will add every character in the resultant strings. Again, if our carry is 0 at the last position, so we need to carry that one also. So like we can append carry not equal to 0, str append carry. So where the whole resultant would be str dot reverse, because we need to we got the resultant string but we need to reverse that. String dot reverse. So we are taking the problem and we need to convert this as string builder. We need to convert to the string as this is the string builder. Okay, so this is completes our program. So we can run. So we got the resultant 127 set 4 is equal to 137. We can again change it to some other values. So we got the resultant string. Hope this helps solving your problem. Thank you.